What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Riding channel. This will be your host. Today I started out to connect the light switch to my headlight and tail light. I bought this right here. I said it was for the Talaria and Surround, this connector. I said it was for Talaria and Surround, but once I removed the piece of the housing and everything, I fished the light harness out. This is a light harness that's connected to the headlight, and then it's connected to this. I realized the connection was far different from this. I started doing some research and I found out that some people have this connection, which make it comparable with the Surround headlight circuitry. And some people have this connection on the MX4R, and I happen to have this connection on the MX4R. So once I seen that, I hate cutting wires, and I could easily cut this wire, but I really didn't want to do that. I hate cutting wires, so I found these on Amazon. So I ordered a pack of 5 of them. Male and female comes in a pack. So now I'm gonna make this switch plug and play. I also bought a pack of these, but I'm not gonna use these right now. I'm gonna use these when my new headlight comes in. I ordered one of those light bars, so I'm gonna make it compatible with the system also. Whatever connection is there, I'll take that connection off and make it compatible with this. I'm also gonna connect the tail light to the switch. Okay, the funny thing about this wiring right here, we have the black and the green. In this case, the black is positive right here and the green is negative right here. I don't know what this blue and this red wire did. I didn't test those. This side go to the bike harness, so I'm gonna connect the red and the black from the switch here. These 2 wires here. I'm gonna sort it later on probably. Now I'm just gonna get the old NASA twist. And I'm gonna put the 2 black ones together. Negative. Okay, I got red to red and black to black. So I got this green signal wire left over. So I'm gonna put the red. This is gonna go to the switch. Right here. The red and the green. Set the signal for the light, and I'm gonna put the black over here, with the ground. Change this connection for the light. So it should look something like this. Take away these, something like this. Plug it in, it goes something like that. And something like this. I have a heat gun up here, I don't think. I know I don't have a heat gun up here. So connected the battery to verify everything before I put it back together. Let's see. Keep my fingers crossed. Lights are orange. So the brake light, the rear light is still on. The rear light is still on. So I'm gonna find the connector for that and tie that in. I forgot to do that before I wrap that stuff up, but let me do that right quick. Yeah, I was gonna do the back, the tail light, but again, I don't want to cut the connection. And I just noticed that this is different. I don't have anything to match up with this. Sort of a triangle. They don't have anything to match up with this, so they got me on this one. So I'm gonna just wait for the tail light that I'm gonna use to come in. There you have it, plug and play light switch with the Talaria Sting RMX4. Okay, got everything plugged in. So I'm gonna get the new light. I see, I don't know how much more I can clean it up, but I'll sort of this stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna believe this as a stroker. Look, I found this laying around. A couple months back, I bought the Surround throttle. I used it on the Stealth Bomber because I wanted a full twist throttle as opposed to the half throttle. Look, Okay, the black, everything is in a different position. So I guess the blue, no, the brown. The brown will be my positive and the blue is my negative, and the black will not be used. So I plugged it in here and I fished it through this grommet here. Now I'm gonna run it along the side here. Okay, that's what we're looking like. Let's go. It's like, a little more yellow, but it's more orange.